Have you ever asked why something went wrong and kept asking why until you found the real reason? That is the power of five whys analysis, one of the simplest and most effective tool for root cause. But how does it work? This technique is used to unfold the reasons behind the problem. You repeatedly ask why until you find the root cause. And it doesn't have to be at fifth because the name is five whys. It is also fine to have it at four or three, as long as you ensure that is the root cause. Let's make an example. First, we need a problem because we will ask the question of why against that problem. Let's say picture board is broken. This is the problem. And we will find the root cause to understand why it is broken. So our first question is why it is broken. The answer is because it fell. So why did it fail then? Because the screw came loose over time. And why? Because wrong type of screw was selected. And why? Because there was no installation guideline. That's it. This is the root cause. Because if we had installation guideline, we wouldn't select the wrong type of screw. And then the screw wouldn't come loose over time. And therefore, the picture board wouldn't fail. And therefore, it wouldn't be broken. So, this is the logic. At each answer, we just came one more step closer to the root cause. One other thing is expertise level of the team during the five whys root cause analysis because it reflects the accuracy of the answers. If there is some lack of information or lack of expertise, then the result can mislead us. So it is quite important to have people who know the process. If you like this video and want to see more, please like, write a comment and subscribe. And if you want to learn more about this, please check the video description and you will see full course of root cause analysis.